Hello friends, I am CS Jaspreet. Welcome to my channel. I make educational videos for commerce students and students pursuing CA, CS and CMA. But today's video is a motivational video. Earlier I made a video on Teachers Day also. Today's video is on self-love. Self-love is the source of all other loves. The most powerful relationship you will ever have is the relationship with yourself. Before proceeding further, please subscribe to my channel and like the video if you felt motivated. The topic for today's video is self-love is the best love. Be the love you never received. Why are we looking up on other people to give love to us? Why are we keep complaining to other people that we are not receiving the love that we are giving them? So be the love you never received. In today's video, I will try to tell you that what is self-love and how self-love is the best love. Now there are some famous quotes told by famous people about self-love. Like Diana, Princess of Wales said, every one of us needs to show how much we care for each other and in the process care for ourselves. Every one of us is actually showing, we do show how much we care for each other, how much we care for the other person, but we never actually show how much we care for ourselves. And Robert Morley said, to fall in love with yourself is the first secret to happiness. We don't fall in love with ourselves. We start falling in love with other people. We try to give them the love so that they can give that back to us, and we try to find the happiness in that love only which they are giving to us. And when they don't return our love, at that point of time, the happiness gets shattered. So these are very famous people telling us about self-love. Now after reading the topic, the first question that comes to everyone's mind is, what is self-love? Self-love is the love which is required to keep a person happy, healthy and fit. It is the love that a person should do to himself. We always search love from others, try to give them all the love we have in order to get it in return. Instead of investing our love with someone else, we should keep it for ourselves. Nobody talks about self-love, nobody even thinks about it. And the people who talk about it, they don't know how to implement it. Because self-love is mistaken as selfishness. Yes, the moment you say, okay, I like doing this, I am doing this for myself, people will say, okay, fine, that person is selfish. That is why self-love is called selfishness. If you're loving yourself, if you're standing up for yourself, if you're doing something for yourself, people will say this person is selfish. He or she, they don't think about other people. But do other people think about us? Do other people know how to give that love in return? So, when you don't get that love in return, you have to stand up for your own love, for your own self, for your self-love. Then, Meghan Marley said, we just need to be kinder to ourselves. If we treated ourselves the way we treated our best friend, can you imagine how much better off we would be? We always try to be kind to other people, and in that process, we become inhuman and we become unkind to ourselves because we start sacrificing our needs, we start sacrificing ourselves to be kind to them. But if we'll be kind to ourselves as well, that would be a way better option to be happy. And your greatest responsibility is to love yourself and to know you are enough. We are not lesser than anybody. Then why are we sacrificing ourselves, or why are we investing so much love to others when we are not being treated that well? That is why self-love is the best love. Now, what is the importance of self-love? Self-love is very important in today's era as everyone is busy giving love to the people who don't love them back. So at that time, self-love plays its part. Self-love is very important for sound mental health, physical fitness. It helps us get love of others also. When you start loving yourself, the outside world also starts loving you. It is also important for gaining self-esteem, self-confidence, and most important, self-respect. Loving yourself is very important in today's time because you cannot say that, okay, I am giving so much love to you, I should also get it back, because that is your nature. You are giving to the other person. If the other person is not of your nature, then you'll feel hurt. So for that, for sound mental health, for good physical fitness, because if your inner peace, inner self is happy, then only you can be happy from outside as well. Then only you can be physically fit, then only you can be mentally fit. If that is not happening to you, your body, your inner self is dying inside. And when you start loving yourself, it's very important. It helps you gain your self esteem also, your self confidence also, and most important of them, your self respect also. So, self love is very, very important, and each and every person should do self love. Again, a famous quote by Jean Shinoda Bolen says, when you recover or discover something that nourishes your soul and brings joy, care enough about yourself to make room for it in your life. Work on being in love with the person in the mirror who has been through so much but is still standing. Yes, if you discover that, yes, I feel happiness in doing this, I feel peaceful in doing this thing, you should always make that habit or that hobby a part of your life. Don't think about others, what they are thinking. Do what makes you happy and work on being in love with the person in the mirror. Look yourself in the mirror and start loving yourself, because after so much also that person is still standing. Kudos. Now I have been talking about self-love, importance of self-love, but how to do it, how to do self-love. I have just jotted out some points according to my own little life experience and according to what I know self-love is. But you can definitely do more about for yourself and for loving yourself. These are just a little things which I am telling you from my experience. By doing something that makes your soul happy, yes, you're happy by reading books or by dancing, singing, whatever makes your soul happy. Don't do anything for the sake of people, okay? Right? Do the things that make your soul happy. Do that. Prioritize those things by investing time on yourself. Always have time for yourself. You know, we get so much busy in impressing others that we start investing our times, our lives on them, and we forget ourselves. So self love is very important. We also need our time. We should invest that time on ourselves also by keeping distance from negative and toxic people. The most important part of self love. You have to keep a distance from negative people who are putting negative energies in your life. You have to keep away from them. Toxic people who are wrong for your lives, who don't wish anything good for you, are always, criticizing you, always finding flaws in you. They are the people who ruin your life completely, and you don't have to go out for them. Just see around yourself. You'll have a lots of people like this. By spending more time with the people who guide you correct and your real well wishers. Now for this you have to find, actually you have to find with a magnifying glass that in today's time who are actually correct people, who are your real well wishers, because people are so double faced. They will show that, oh, we are so good to you, but behind your backs they are criticizing you, right? So you have to find such people who are very good for your mental health, for your physical health, and your life. By meditating, you can do any kind of meditations. Like people do religious meditations, or in today's time there are different kinds of meditations also, whichever that gives you peace, that gives you happiness, you can do that. And by prioritizing your own needs, yes, before keeping others needs up, start keeping your needs up. Then only you will feel happy, and this is the way that I would suggest how to do self love. Maxwell Maltz said, low self esteem is like driving through life with your handbrake on. While driving car, if we put our handbrake on, how will you drive through smoothly? So that is why if you're having low self esteem, so you're driving through your life with your handbrake on. And Dennis Waitley said, to establish true self-esteem, we must concentrate on our successes and forget about the failures and the negativities in our lives. Then only we can actually establish our true self-esteem. The next thing is self-love for self-esteem. Self-love is very important for self-esteem. And what is self-esteem? It's self-respect. If you want people to respect you, you need to first know how to respect yourself. If you will respect yourself, then only the world will respect you. The self-esteem plays a very important role in today's era in everyone's life. Everyone wants respect, but without giving respect, you can't get it back. It's a give and take relationship. If you'll give respect, then only you'll get it back, irrespective of your age, irrespective of your gender, irrespective of your relationship. If you cannot give the person the respect which he or she deserves, please, you cannot get it back anyway. So self-love is very important for self-esteem. It is very important. First of all, start respecting yourself. Start respecting that yes, I will not take the criticisms done about me. I will not accept this. If you will say this and this thing about me, if you are disrespecting me in public, I will not respect you back. So it's very important to respect yourself. If you will respect yourself, then only the world will respect you. Don't let other people disrespect you for no reasons. Just for their own happiness, they are disrespecting you, they are letting you down. So at that point of time, self-love is very important. If you have self-love, you'll have self-esteem, you'll have self-respect. So that is very important. Self-love is very important for self-esteem. Harvey Fierstein said, never be bullied into silence. Never allow yourself to be made a victim. Accept no one's definition of your life, but define yourself. When people around you, start doing conspiracies, or when they are overpowering in the way of how you say, like grouping up and attacking you, right? You can see these things in schools where students bully each other. So never let that happen to you. Never be bullied into silence. Never allow yourself to become a victim. Accept no one's definition of your life. What other person knows about your life? What other people know? What are you going through? So define yourself. Buddha said, you yourself, as much as anybody in the entire universe, deserve your love and affection. If another person says, yes, I deserve your love and affection, the same way you should love yourself also. As much as love and affection you're giving to other person, that is also required for your good health. So these two things are also very important for self-love. Now, effects on mental health. Low self-esteem, low self-confidence, low self-respect. It always affects a person's mental health as he or she starts feeling inferior to other person. The whole world is on this duty to make you feel less in every aspect. Less important, less loved, less confident, less in everything. At that point of time, self-love comes, that how to make one feel equally important and loved as others. These are very little things, like तो क्या हो गया, किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया तो so what, start ignoring them. Don't think much about them. So what, people say such things. This is not something to be taken lightly. This is something that affects a person's mental health. Criticizing somebody, letting somebody down, putting somebody down time and again makes that person emotionally, physically, mentally weak. So it is very important that, as I said, the whole world is on this duty. You need not find people. People are like, you can find so many people in the world who are on this duty only to tell you how less important you are, how less loved you are, how less confident you are, how less this, how less that, everything. And at that point of time, self-love is very important. You have to assure yourself that no, I am equally important, I am equally loved as others. So if you're not doing self-love to yourself, like that, it is affecting your mental health also. So for having a good mental health, start loving yourself. As the day starts, make sure, today I will love myself, today I will do this things for myself, because I am also as important as somebody else in my life. M. Scott Peck said, until you value yourself, you won't value your time. Until you value your time, you will not do anything with it. Yes, it's very important to value your time and invest it in yourself, on yourself, and do something that satisfies your soul, that makes you happy, that makes you feel contented and satisfied. Then that is where self-love comes around. When you try to make yourself happy instead of making other people happy, because nobody actually gets pleased with you anyway. Also, when you make a mistake, respond to yourself in a loving way rather than a self-shaming way, according to Ellie Holcomb. Yes, whenever, now we are human beings, everybody makes mistakes, but at that point of time, respond to yourself in a loving way rather than a self-shaming way. Now, very important part of self-love says that others will love you when you love yourself. Now, nobody will love you if you don't love yourself. Nobody will respect you if you don't respect yourself. The people around you will only love and respect you if you will show them your worth. In today's world, people take your kindness as your cowardness. If you are soft hearted, people will start using you, they will start dominating you. Self love tells us the limit of tolerance, of when to say enough is enough. In today's world, people are so manipulative, or you can say so diplomatic and double faced, that if you are kind to them, if you are soft hearted to them, if you are good to them, what they start thinking, they think that these people are like that only, just use them and throw them away, or you can say start dominating them because they are listening to us, because they are like, they are not so not, they're not saying no to us, or they don't want to have their own time, they are always available for us. You know, when you actually start respecting, and out of respect you are like, okay, I can do this work for you, or you start giving your time to other people, they start misusing you, they start misusing your time, your the love you're giving them. They start thinking they are coward people, they are weak, they will start dominating you. So at that point of time, you should realize this, that self-love is something that tells us the limit of tolerance, right? Self-love will actually tell us that, okay, fine, I am good to a point, but then there is a point where self-love comes and you have to say enough is enough. So others will love you when you love yourself. Now, there are lots of books that are available in the market nowadays for studying self-love and for knowing more about self-love. There are some like You Are a Badass, Empowering Woman, Radical Self-Love, Self-Love Experiment, and many of. Now, there are certain books for self-love. There are a lot of books for self-love now. It's a learning process. You can get such books online also, and you can also listen to some motivational speakers talking about self-love. The books are available in all languages and for all age types. The books, they are good guide for loving yourself, and they help you understand self-love better, and they tell you how to implement self-love in day-to-day life. So take the help of such books. These are easily available, and if somebody is not interested in reading such books, you can even listen to some motivational speakers online. Nowadays there are a lot of motivational speakers who actually try to motivate people through their speakings on online only, so you can go to that also. It will help to know what is self love and how you can implement it in your day-to-day lives. Thank you so much for watching my video. Do hit a like button, and if you liked the video, if you felt motivated, and do share it with your family, with your friends, with your colleagues, with your relatives, and help them know that self-love is so important. Leave a comment if you really like the video, and the most important thing, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.